Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, today is Selena Quintanilla's anniversary and I decided to make a makeup inspired look by her. She was such a beautiful person, beautiful body, beautiful personality, beautiful face, beautiful voice. I'm not so crazy about her, but when I know her story and what she did, I mean, she was such a great person. So today I woke up and I was like, I should make a video showing how I do my makeup the way she used to do it, and the hair as well, because I do have a hairdo on her. I will be leaving the link below so you guys can watch that as well. Ever since I was little, my cousins and my uncle especially, they would always call me Selena because they said I looked like her. So I was always just like, oh yeah, Selena, you know. So today I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and make a video my day off. Why not? So here I am, you guys. If you guys are interested, please keep on watching. No quieres saber nada de mí. Dime qué fue lo que hice mal. Te pusieron en contra de mí. So I've already primed my face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start with my foundation. I don't want to highlight too much because I know that back then there was none of this like highlighting and contouring. So I'm doing just the minimum because I already have her face shape. So then I will be contouring on my sides. This is the Wet n Wild contouring stick. Then with this little brush, I will be just getting some on the tip of the brush and contouring my nose. Shape it. That's hers. Now I'm going to go ahead and jump into the eyebrows. As we know, she didn't have much of an angled shape. She had them more straight. So I'm going to try and do my eyebrows a little bit different today, just so I can look more like her. And what I use for my eyebrows is eyeshadow. So I will be using Alright, so there I have my eyebrows. We're gonna go into the eyes now. I do see some pictures where she's wearing a little bit of brown in her eyes and some where she's not wearing anything at all. So for this video I will be using So for this video I will be using a little bit of brown. I will be applying my eyeshadow with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that came in the palette, and I will be using this brown right here because it's not so dark on my skin, and just a little bit on the crease. Now I will be applying mascara on my top and bottom lashes. I'm using the MAC blush, but it's broken, so I can't really show it to you guys, but I'll be leaving a link below so you guys, just in case you guys want to purchase it, you guys know exactly where to get it. Now with my Wet n Wild eyeliner, I will be creating my wings. Today I won't be using very dramatic eyelashes because her lashes were very short and just natural, so that's what I'll be using today. The lashes I will be wearing are from Kiss. These have been already used, so I won't be showing you the box where it comes in, but you can purchase this at Walmart, or you know, I think they have it at Walgreens, Rite Aid, and all those pharmacy stores. Okay, so now that the eyelashes are done, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit more mascara on my bottom lashes because I am seeing that you can't see them at all. So let me go ahead and apply some of that. Oh, and the mascara that I use is the Super Fan Mascara by Smashbox. I do get this for free. I did not purchase this. Thanks to Influencer, I'm able to do reviews and get stuff for free. So this is what I got last month and I'm so happy with it. I really like it. I will totally be purchasing this whenever I'm done with it. Okay, you guys, so it looks like we're pretty much done with our face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the lips, which I know this makes the difference because you can wear no makeup and wear the red lipstick and you can already say that you're looking like Selena. So let's go ahead and do that. I will be using this lipstick from Makeup Forever. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a lipstick from Makeup Forever and it looks like this. It's a little bit like on the red wine, dark red. I really like it. Well, I actually like the color. I haven't used it at all. You guys can see that it looks brand new, but let's see how that works out. So first I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lips. I like to use the Pond's lotion on my lips. It leaves my lips really soft. Or I also like to use Vaseline, but since I don't have Vaseline near me right now, I'm not about to go get it. One thing I don't have is a red lip liner, so I'm gonna try my hardest to make this as sharp and neat as possible. I like it. So I'm pretty much done with the makeup. I absolutely love it. I feel like I look like her. Who said Selena? Look, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super simple. She was such a beautiful person. She didn't need much makeup. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Any comments or anything, leave it on the description box below. I will be linking my social media as well in case you guys want to follow me and become my friend or something, you know. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.